All right, so we're gonna stretch our calves on this device here today in a standing position to stretch both my soleus and my gastrocnemius. If I keep my knee straight, I'm getting into my gastrocnemius. And if I bend my knee just slightly as I rock back, I'm stretching my soleus. I wanted to do a review of this product. My name is Steven. I'm a licensed physical therapist in Texas. Rolling with it calf stretcher. It's a fantastic tool. It's great if you have tight calves, great if you're a runner, but not all runners. It's not only runners that have tight calves, lots of other people have tight calves as well. So again, a little rocking motion to stretch that calf. Fantastic tool. Been using it for many years at my clinic. So y'all enjoy.